today's video, the car dad is going to go through installing LED headlights into this 1993 Nissan 240SX. Being an early 1990s vehicle, the 240 was originally equipped with sealed beam headlights, large glass sealed headlights, which, although adequate for the 1990s, pale in comparison to headlight systems available today. These will be removed and replaced with a more modern LED system. And these are the LEDs that are going to be used for this project. As you can see, it is an entire conversion device designed to fit in the housing of the standard sealed beam headlights. This means that it measures roughly 5 inches tall by 7 inches wide by 3 inches deep. And it contains a total of 9 LEDs for forward light, composed of an upper and lower section for low beam and high beam, as well as a center daytime running light strip, which will be wired up in a separate video. The unit is composed of a polycarbonate lens with an aluminum housing on the back. The aluminum housing itself is rather heavy duty. It is powder coated black and ribbed, and that is both for strength and to vent excess heat. Although LEDs are low draw devices, they do still generate a fair amount of heat from their control electronics. The connector is the standard 3-prong connector that we saw on the back of the sealed beam, and the daytime running light has a single spade connector, which will be wired in later. I will be doing a small video on making a splice for that. All in all, it's a rather nice device, and fairly heavy, and should be nice and robust. So let's go ahead and show how these are installed.